Hi guys, I will show you how to make handmade Valentine's card. Very easy and simple, perfect for Valentine gift. Let's start the tutorial. You will need colors paper with size, length 22 centimeters and weight 12 centimeters. Bend in the center of paper like this, and then take your punch roller to make hole right in the middle just like this. Now insert the ribbon on your card. To decorate this Valentine's card, we will create 3D heart shape. You will need to make 5 heart shape. Glue them all. And after that, glue the heart shape right in the center of your Valentine's card. We are almost done. I will show you how to tie the ribbon to close the card. See? It's very easy, delicate, and simple Valentine's card. Now, write your Valentine wish. And also decorate inside the card with little heart shape and your Valentine's greeting. Now your Valentine's card is completely done. Very easy and simple. Perfect for last-minute Valentine gift. I hope this tutorial helped you and see you on my next tutorial. Happy Valentine!